Hello and welcome to Zepson Hosting Services. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can log in to your Zepson Host cPanel or control panel from Zepson Host client area. Firstly, go to Account, Login. Now, enter your login credentials such as email and password. And if you trust the device you're using, click on Remember Me. If you don't have an account, click on Register and buy the service from us, and you can keep on with this video. Now that I have entered correct login information, I will click on Login. The system will redirect you to Zepson Host client area. Click on Services. Here you will find a list of services that you have purchased from us. If you haven't purchased any service, you can order any service from the Zepson Host website or anywhere by clicking on Services, Order New Service. Now, select the active service from the list of available services. Only active services can be managed and an active service cannot be managed, so you have to find the active service. Now, in the service details section, go to the bottom and you will find a link with the text login to control panel. Now, click on it. The system is now directing you to the Zepson Hosting cPanel. Zepson Host cPanel help you to manage different settings for your website or websites like PHP configurations, management of files such as FTP accounts or logging into the file manager, domains, database, managing email accounts, DNS and other available options. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to Zepson Hosting Services.